All right, my friends, today's video is a very simple one. It's something that I see in my comments incredibly often. I've probably just answered maybe about 20 or 30 comments in regards to programming your PowerA Spectra controller. So it's fairly easy. I'm gonna go over it real quick. So in BioShock, you jump with Y, okay, on the controller. The top button right here in the middle, that's gonna be used to program the controller buttons, the little paddles on the back, okay? So the way you're gonna do this, the way to program a button will be to hold that top button and notice this blinking one, or notice this little light right here. I'm holding it down as we speak. Boom, now it's blinking. That means your controller is ready to be programmed. So the slow blink means which button you wanna use for the back ones, right? I want the white one, the Y, the jump, to be on both of these. So let me go ahead and hold. I'm holding down, okay? Now Y is what I want on the back. Now which paddle do I want on the back for Y? Let's go ahead and program both for Y. So I'm holding it down, programming, choose Y, and then it's gonna fast blink. Which paddle? Left. So this is my right paddle, jump. This is my left paddle, jump. And that's how you program it. Next will be to deprogram the back buttons. So this is also very simple. You're gonna be using that same programming button, the top one. So hold it, boom, it's ready to be programmed. We're gonna start with the right. So you're gonna choose right bumper, and then you're gonna choose it again, and then it deselects it. So now you can no longer jump with it. So to do the left side, which you can still jump, we're gonna do it again. So hold the top program button, it'll say program on the button itself, and then choose the paddle on the left again, boom. And then you can no longer use any of them to jump. So that's how you program and deprogram the PowerA Spectra controller. Hopefully this helped you guys out. That's how you program the PowerA Spectra controller. It's fairly simple. Of course, if you guys have any questions in regards to it, let me know down below. If you guys want to find more tech content, subscribe to the channel as well. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.